Okay, Assalamualaikum. Sir, good afternoon from Mitsubishi. So I will conduct for the how to rescue operation in case of emergency in our elevator, right? So before that, I will, Mr. Anis, call Mr. Anis. Is that here?
Not. No.
Karna,
Carlo not here.
Adel,
Yes, sir.
CB Simon, Gayan,
Here.
Jeb Ahmad, Jamshid.
Yes, sir.
Jeb Ahmad, Muhammad Jamshad,
Yes, sir. Jamshid.
Humayun, Abdul Rahman Taibi, Sir Dennis,
Yes, President.
Satan Al-Shaman. Is that here also?
No.
So from this 11 person, it only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is enough, sir? Okay, sir. So, by the way, sir, my name is Lito from Mitsubishi, and this is my partner, Mr. Nagor. So now, all of these people here, they are, please, if you don't understand my language, my speaking, because little English, anyway, this is my partner will translate in case of no understand, no? Anyway, so, anyway, sir, now we are starting now, okay? First of all, I would like ask, I'm asking, you have the key.
That's all.
You have the key for this elevator?
Yes, we have.
Okay, you have. Can you please get your key, please? Where's that key?
Down.
Basement.
Key box we have.
Dito lang. Because this one is very important. So, okay, we will pause. Again, we will wait this guy. At this.
Yeah.
Or continue now.
No, you
No
can
problem.
continue because that is for
Okay.
the call.
Okay, now, first, if have entrapment, then the elevator, for example, the people using the elevator will going up or going down, and suddenly the power failure, of course, the people inside stuck, right?
Yes.
So, before that, the people inside, we are calling people in, what do you call that? No. Control.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are receiving control that we have people stuck inside the elevator, right? So, of course, before that, you understand there are people inside the elevator. So don't panic. Always presence of mind. Okay? Now, before go in the elevator, you get the key. The key position is only in control or the security. Why? Maybe I will put in pocket that I will go, then suddenly have the problem. They have big problem, right? Always our key we are putting in control or the security. Even don't know the security, just always put
In a key
the
box.
key, the key box.
Yeah, we have actually 24 hours operation. help
Yes,
desk.
sir. Because sir, what I said, maybe he's getting the key and don't care going anywhere, and he forgot to put in the key.
There is accident happen.
Okay? Please, always the key put in the control. Now, if you get in the key, in the control, from basement, for example, okay, you will check the door first.
Was knocking door only.
Okay?
People inside.
Just knocking the door. Hello? People inside? Nothing. Next floor. Hello? next floor. Hello, until you reach where's the people. Or else, from basement, you can open the door manual. From basement only, not in the ground floor, first floor, mezzanine floor, etc. Only basement. Very clear, basement only. Why? Because maybe you are in the second floor. Like for example, second floor. You are aggressive. Suddenly you are open the door, and the elevator is not here in the floor. Then you are open. Suddenly you are like that. Then maybe you fell down.
Accident.
You will go up.
There is a problem.
Right? This is joke, but it's true. Okay? So that's what I'm telling. Only basement. You can open manually our door. But be careful to open the door. Like for example, the people in the ground floor, in the first floor, etc., and you are in the basement, you will open the door manually. But the position for open the door, I will tell you.
Okay.
The position, check first. Position like this.
Okay. Put the T temper key.
Okay.
Put little bit. Then down.
Down.
Only
Little,
10 cm open.
little open.
It will open. You can identify. There is elevator. There is elevator available. You can open.
Yes. Like this.
Otherwise, no elevator.
No elevator. Yeah.
If the elevator is not here, another, you can open again. If the elevator is not here, don't pull open.
Don't pull open. Immediately close.
Why? Because maybe you are pull open, then you are.
Maybe you like this open. Normally you like this open. After like this checking.
You can pull, yeah.
No, even elevator will come down also. No, elevator, door open, elevator open.
Okay. Now you are open the door one by one. How to position to open the door? Okay, one by one. At least you have idea how to open. Because okay, I will speaking you, I will teaching you, but you are not actual.
Practically.
Mapipay na. Because the technician only speaking. It's okay, it's okay. Now the position, sir. No, sir. Yes. Okay.
Down.
Pull. Inside.
Inside, what?
The door so now open.
Fold.
The gate door.
Fold.
Oh. Like this.
Vincenti.
Okay.
Rapi.
Fold and down the gate.
Yes. The next.
That's
A few steps.
Basit. Basit.
Go straight. Open. Little down. Twice and this.
Okay.
no,
Of course,
close.
you can see the elevator is here. Okay. For example, you open now.
And you find the elevator.
is here, right? The elevator is here. Okay. You can open manual over the door. At least the people inside can breathe because too much afraid.
The door open, nothing like that.
Only like this. Okay. Then you can check the people inside. This is only scenario. Not
Yes, but if like this, how to go down the
We take after we do this.
Yeah. Okay.
the rescue.
Yes. Now, after that, you only open and the people rescuer pick the people inside. Just please calm down. Don't worry. A few minutes or a few seconds, we'll review you. Okay? Now,
There is switch there for the open the door.
no.
Another one. You
Now, after that,
That is, if they find like this, then you need to open only at least to breathe the.
Breathing here.
yun,
Because sometimes maybe after he will, if she will go and jump. Because
Yeah.
when you open, she can actually go or he.
Now, I'll continue. All people understand how to open.
Yes.
Okay? So, one by one, please, because at least you have idea how to open. Position.
No, relax, relax.
Wait.
No.
Okay.
Wait. So like this, you can sound, class, open, bus. You can go.
No.
Okay, only little bit.
Only little. Only just check what is the.
Elevator.
Imagine this. I will
Wait.
tell
I
you.
explain you, okay. I explain you something.
Yeah.
देखो यदि आ रहा प्रॉपर में चेक करके ये चेक करना रहेगा ऐसा रखो की निकाल दो चेक करो अभी ये लिफ्ट इधर नहीं है दरवाजा खोलो।
Okay. Next. Also very important to understand the people here who's in the morning
हाँ
maintenance in charge in the evening. Please do it now because
नहीं
अंदर की थोड़ी हो रहा है.
just pull. Actually, sir, you only just put it here inside. Then you only sense we have the one stick. Only just there and put down. Okay? And then your hand is there. Yes. Oh, pass. Yes. Okay, one more time. Again. Yes. More. No, more inside, one side.
Full inside.
Yeah.
No, not.
More.
Save this.
Sir, don't.
You don't check inside. You didn't check inside. Only open and close. You didn't have to check.
Malukot na.
You
Kapipensa.
didn't check.
Okay. Yeah, like this only.
Yeah.
Actually, you can feel it. But
Yeah.
No keyboard.
Yep. Very good, sir. Like this. But I only just this.
ಅದು ಸುಲಭ ನಾಲ್ಕು
Okay.
There is one lever.
ಅದೇ
Using one.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಔಟ್
I told you before also.
No.
ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೈ
Down. Open. Like this. And up. You check the elevator, right? Okay, kalas.
ಎಲಿವೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿವೇಟರ್ ಚಾವಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ
Okay. Next. No. Like not position. Your position, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Raman, swaya mas. Okay, ada sakit. Okay, sakit.
Okay. Next.
Open the
Later. One by one, sir. One by one. Thank you.
Okay.
ನೋ ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
Plus?
Class. No, first the close.
you
Just one.
remove the just it away.
Now, okay.
One
Yes, glass.
No, later.
Only they go down.
Later.
One doubt. You told me there is power shutdown happens, the elevator will stuck.
Yes.
It shouldn't stuck, right? We have melt battery.
Yeah, backup battery.
Actually, sir,
In case.
leave it the battery. Okay. Now we are facing the stuck person.
About key this one?
Actually, the elevator we have melt battery.
It will go to the basement.
Yes. So this is no worries because our elevator, if going down and going up, then power failure, we have battery backup. Okay. Of course.
But if not working, sometimes the
That is the problem.
And that's why it's good.
That's- yeah.
In case.
If the technician will request yearly to change the battery, you must approve. Why? This is for our safety. No hassle. Because one scenario in other area, I will request, for example, I will request 2 years, but the people don't care. Then one time, the building power failure, of course, the elevator will not working because the battery, 2 years.
After we bring chain plug,
Then after that,
Happen once.
then after that,
Long
the
time.
civil defense coming,
also not paying civil defense.
no care. Of course, the civil defense will only remove the person inside. Then the civil defense,
Broken.
bang! The door is broken, etc. Blah 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 until removed. Now, in the investigation, who is mistake? The client said the technician mistake. Only maintenance, no anything. Of course, we have proof in the technician. Maintenance proof, requesting battery, like that, blah blah blah. Then, after that, the owner of the building, kalas. Why? How much this? The broken elevator? It's more. Instead only you pay, for example, 100 real, you more than 1,000 real you pay. Why? Because you will buy the battery and the new door and inside the door also. So now, we'll continue. After that, the people only say here, just relax. Then we are proceed here. The second step, you have the key for HIP. This is the last for here. The people, for example, in the ground floor, the elevator, people want in the ground floor, stay, have
Okay, third floor.
holding this key. Okay?
Third floor.
Then after that, the one people
Third floor. South.
going here in the
South
third
side.
floor, bring this key. Okay? And then, go here, put inside, then, pull.
Twist and pull.
Twist and pull. Then after that, you only open like this. Not like this. No, what do you call that?
Force.
Force, no forcing. Okay? Only little. Maybe some people. Why I'm telling? We have the wiring. If you pull this one, too much damage. Now open, little. Now you are here. One person or two person here. Before that, open na to. At least I will auto. No. Okay. Now, leave it this one. Because if I put auto, we will running that. Okay? Now, before, the position is like this. Okay? Check. First, open. You go here.
Door off.
Then, you push or off. Door off. Door off. Okay? Put it from normal position, door on, you will put door off. Better your writing, sir. At least, because in like this, sometimes for flying. Okay? Okay? The first one, okay, the normal position, our control, HIP, first check from door on, put it off.
Normal position is door on.
Yeah. Normal position,
On.
on. Then put it off. The next, from auto, put it hand. Okay? Put it
Third one.
hand. Okay? No, just take this from auto, put it hand. Now, then RSQ,
Means rescue.
meaning RSQ, rescue. Now, from RSQ off, put it on. You hear that?
Yes.
Okay. Then after that, just press BKD. Press BKD.
Press.
Then check the elevator
Level.
running until
Reach level.
reach
Level
level.
that can be
Actually, possible.
We put it down. Okay.
No. Actually, our door closed, okay? We don't know where is the floor.
No, I understand now.
Actually, the door should close all door. We can identify, you see?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Writing the signal.
The
The
signal.
power off, okay? Then the signal will come. Door zone. D, sir. Door zone.
Huh?
Yeah, battery not working.
Not working.
No, when is the last maintenance?
There's last one.
Sir, this is also sorry.
You request-
Actually, even now, I will put the battery 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. Don't know the exactly the battery dead like this. Okay?
Lifespan.
Yes. Because for example, in 11 months working,
Because the heat.
yeah, then I will go out. I mean, suddenly go, finish. Of course, we are checking the battery is good. Then I will go. Then suddenly like this happen. Of course, I cannot define because the battery, we don't know to be exactly when. That's why my company will always request at least 1 year then what you call that request for the changing the battery. Carlos.
Battery finish.
Wait. That na go. Enough? Yeah.
Working?
No, that will change.
We are, yes, we need to request now.
Okay?
Then BK.
Any doubt?
Any doubt? Any question?
अभी जो बताया वो अपना कंपनी का तरीका है मैं अभी सिंपल बता के जाता हूँ
I'll check it. I'll check it. The best
No, that's explain. هذا الحين ريكويست هذا سيمس الكلام. هذا ليس هذه شوف هذه maintenance. صيانة يجي ممكن اليوم شوف هذا كويس بس هذا باتري ممكن 3 اليوم هذا خربان ما في معلومة هذا HADA maintenance, HADA quiz. What is frequent monthly? HADA monthly doesn't mean the.
Monthly we are
But how we
checking.
will test the battery also if because like as he said, when the technician check that one it's okay, then after a week that he is coming again another month.
Actually, we committed 1 year.
No, for sure this one we replace this one.
Maybe 3 years before replace.
No, I don't think so. When the last time
No,
we
after I
checked?
came, we replaced one time.
Only 1 time.
Yeah, but when that one?
Please check the RMR.
Maybe
So
long
because
time
I
ago.
remember.
Long time ago, I think.
2022 or I think.
I'm
Coming
Yeah,
on
I-
No, but I mean, it means the last, when the last time one, maybe they not check that one, battery.
I didn't check it.
Who is the technician?
No, we will check the
Check the report.
We will check the pattern.
Okay now,
that's it.
any questions, sir?
No.
All understand?
Just only the one you write, make circulate this one.
Then after, sir, you can print, at least put in your table. All understand? Sir?
Elevator just,
Yeah, this is important, please. And don't, also the technician from Maden, don't panic. Always relax, presence of mind. It means refreshing your mind before you're doing the, because maybe also you are, say, like hysterical. Maybe you will suddenly open the door and then you will fall down. Of course, dead. And this is happen. That's why I tell, very important, relax. Only relax. Same only just, normally they working like that. No any interruption from your mind. Because very important, our life. Okay? Don't panic, just only make sure the door will only little open, not full open. Because if you are full open then you fell down like that. Then after that, you just walking by upside, relax, don't panic, only just picking the people inside the elevator, just excuse me, please calm down, don't worry, a few minutes, I will release you. Like that, very easy. Don't,
because the main is you need to rescue.
Yes.
Not you to rescue.
Yes, correct.
Okay? Because if you fall, you're the one to be rescued.
This is joke, but it's true. Okay, so any questions, sir?
I don't.